Yo, what's up guys? Rob Shoecraft here with 3 Storm Fitness, and today I want to show you real quick this, what the heck is this thing called? A JCHL, it's the brand. These are made for like motorcycle tie downs, or moving, toys, 4-wheelers and that sort of thing, tying them down to truck beds. I don't know, I don't use them for that, so I can't really talk too much more on the subject. But they also make really cheap loading pins. Loading pin like this one here. This is a Black Widow loading pin. It also has a swing bar attachment to it. Very cool. I love this thing, but it's pretty pricey. On the cheap end, if you're gonna buy one like that, I think Titan Fitness has them for like 20 bucks. You also got the Spud version. That's around here somewhere. Oh, this guy. Somewhere in the same price range, nylon, but I think it's like 25, 30 bucks, somewhere around there. These are, you can buy a 4-pack for $7.99, I think I paid. They're rated for like 12,000 pounds or something ridiculous, so no weight that you're going to be using, I'd imagine, unless you're like a buffalo or some sort of pachyderm watching this right now. Maybe you use more, but anyways. This is, like I said, a 4-pack. I have them lying around the gym. They're great. Let me just show you real quick. Basically what I've done here, this I think is my favorite configuration. As far as a loading pin goes, you can use it for all sorts of stuff. But basically you take this, run it through a 2.5 pound plate, and I'll show you why here in a second. Loop that through. It's 2 loops at, 1 loop at each end. Boom. Now you have this. Load it up with, so I got 35 pounds here. Now I have a nice loading pin. I can attach a carabiner to it. So we got my power rack here, Rogar 4. Loop this over once, it's just an extra one I have. Loop that through. Alright. Then I'll take this pulley, put that through the carabiner, then attach it to, can you see? Well, hang on, you'll see in a second. Then I attach it to the, quote, loading pin, unquote. And now we have, see what I'm talking about here? That's that. Super cheap way. If you don't care how things look, you just want to get the job done. Invest in $7.99 and some, whatever they're called. There's a million different brands. That's just the one that I saw that had like, I think it was about, they're about 18 inches long. Coming out with the loading pin. As a loading pin, it's a little shorter because I have to wrap it. I'd say it's about 1 foot long. So you can put a pretty serious amount of weight on there. For isolation type exercises like tricep extensions, etc. It's going to be plenty. So, check it out. If you're looking for the cheap way to work out, give that a shot, guys. Subscribe to this channel. I'll put a link eventually to the straps that I use down at the bottom. So check it out and have a great day. Okay, thanks.